You're looking to dive into the world of DeFi, but you're wondering, is Neon Finance legit? You've heard the buzz, seen the promises, but is it all hype? Let's cut through the noise and find out. DeFi, or decentralized finance, has exploded in popularity, offering exciting opportunities like lending, borrowing, and trading cryptocurrencies. But with this exciting new frontier comes a wave of skepticism. Is it safe? Is it secure? And most importantly, is it legitimate? Today, we're putting Neon Finance under the microscope. Neon Finance is a decentralized exchange, DEX, built on the Solana blockchain. It aims to provide users with a fast, efficient, and secure platform for trading cryptocurrencies. Key features include high speed and low fees. Solana's blockchain is known for its blazing fast transaction speeds and incredibly low fees. Neon Finance leverages this to offer a seamless trading experience. AMM model. Neon Finance utilizes an automated market maker, AMM, model, meaning liquidity is provided by automated contracts rather than order books. Cross-chain compatibility. Neon Finance plans to expand its capabilities to include cross-chain interoperability, allowing users to trade assets across different blockchains. Now, the million-dollar question, is Neon Finance legit? Let's break it down. Security audits. A crucial aspect of any DeFi platform's legitimacy is its security. Reputable projects undergo rigorous security audits by independent firms. Research if Neon Finance has undergone such audits and the findings of those audits. Development team. Investigate the team behind Neon Finance. Are they experienced developers with a proven track record in the blockchain space? Transparency and a strong team are essential for a project's long-term success. Community and growth. Thriving community is a strong indicator of a legitimate project. Analyze the project's social media presence, community forums, and overall engagement. Roadmap and updates. A clear and well-defined roadmap with consistent updates demonstrates the project's commitment to development and its long-term vision. Remember, conducting thorough due diligence is crucial before investing in any DeFi project. Read the white paper, understand the project's goals, technology, and tokenomics. Research the team, investigate the team's experience and background. Analyze the tokenomics, understand how the project's token is used and its distribution. Check for security audits, ensure the project has undergone rigorous security audits. Monitor community and development, stay updated on the project's progress and community engagement. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile assets, and investing in them carries significant risks. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. 1. Is Neon Finance legit? The answer depends on your own research and risk tolerance. By carefully evaluating the factors we discussed, you can make an informed decision about whether or not to invest in this project. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.